Desam volunteers carried out protests against a non-implementation of 4 years undergraduate course under NEP 2020 in Imphal today, demanding to effectively implement the new education policy. A group of Desam volunteers attempted to storm the Raj Bhavan in the afternoon. However, large number of police personnel prevented them to proceed further at Kaishampad, following which a brief scuffle broke out between the two sides. Later, some volunteers of the students' organization were allowed to meet Director of Education U at his office located at Nityapad, Chute. Speaking to reporters after meeting with the director, Desam President Mayangbam Somojit informed that the director has given assurance to implement 4 years undergraduate course in the state within May 30 this year. He further stated that failure to implement the undergraduate course has caused a serious blow to the students who have completed 6th semester by leaving them in confusion about whether to pursue undergraduate program or enroll to postgraduate courses.
Manipur National Education Policy ki matungina college education ki undergraduate ki aroi ba chahi 4 years si hangata hangoi da haidana director ga unabada uji hairisi moi preparation ti hana dumak toba lei adubu ngamgudra ngamoidra haidana moida apprehension khara adumak leirambani tobudu mahiroi sing gi oiba yamna uji ihoma lakpa adu ngasi unariba sigi matungina koina su ngamni da ngamoi haibisi athuba matamda laktopiyo haidana yam kana koi takchin bani du government ki makai digi hidik thamai si soidana koi 4 year gi course ani honors aduga honors with research haiba policy animak akoi hangba yaba college singa hanganaba athuba matamda thabak si ka hena yemna kanjal laga pangthoni aduna karam college ta kari course singa hangani haibase akoi on or before May 30 ki mamangda soidana khangalani haibasima akoi lenga ki mafam degi akoi khangal pa leire lenga na thajaba piriba dugi matungina akoi haibasi bawba akoi yengani adu karigumba masi bawbada gamena thajaba pira bawbada karigumba tawroktaba taragadi makha tarabada mahiroi singi career manghan bagi damakta thoklakpa aba phattagi dai thawdang kudimak responsibility kudamak lenga na mari leinaba department na logadabani